I'm Reyni and I am a demand marketing generalist, and I started as an SDR in January of 2018. When I started as an SDR, I didn't really know where I wanted to go, whether that was sales or what course that would be. But through working alongside the marketing team as an SDR, I really found an interest in that path. Had conversations with my manager. They really thought that would be a great fit for me as well, so started doing ride-alongs with that team and sitting in, finding out what they do, and then finally made the switch at the beginning of last year. Being an SDR, you learn what's important to you, and so, I loved going in every day and working with a fun team and having friends that I worked with, but I really learned about myself is that I love helping others, I love giving other people the tools to be successful, and so that's really, I think, what's taken me through being an SDR, taken me through into my next role in marketing, is that I just want to help other people succeed. Advice I would give someone who's starting to be an SDR or just started the role would be to trust the process and to really have honest conversations with yourself of, how can I be better, and push yourself maybe in a way that's a little bit more uncomfortable. But you really grow in that role so much. I'm not the person I was 3 years ago in the best way possible. Starting out in sales, there's going to be great times and there's going to be times where you fall flat on your face. Just keep moving forward. Laugh a little bit, laugh at yourself, and keep going.